Today we're going to do a little exploring around Crater Lake. It's kind of a short trip into this park, which seems to be my normal routine lately. I'm trying to get over to Portland, Oregon tonight to meet with some friends. And I had a little bit of work I had to do this morning, so I got kind of a late start. Also, I was up until about 3:30 in the morning last night working, so I didn't get out of the hotel I was in until about 11:30. And so I just got into Crater Lake, or I haven't quite gone through the entrance yet. This is a national park I've never been to, and I have been hearing so many good things about it. So I'm pretty psyched to check this place out, see what's going on in here, and show you guys a little bit of Crater Lake National Park. I am absolutely stunned at how blue that is. It is breathtaking. I don't even know what to say. I'm a little bit speechless. That is beautiful. That water is so blue. I mean, just the most perfect example of blue. I can't even believe that. That is so outrageous. I haven't been that taken back in, I think, this whole trip. That was amazing. I didn't really look at a map when I came in here, and I am completely just shooting in the dark here. Seems like I'm just kind of following along the main route. It is wildly crowded too for a oh, I guess it's a Friday, so it's technically, this falls on a weekend. Wow. Oh, that is outrageous. How beautiful. It doesn't even seem real. Wow. That park was phenomenal. If you've never been there, you should definitely go check it out. I am 100% sure that this video will do that place no justice. It was just stunning. So the road, it looks like on the map there's a road that kind of goes down and gets you closer to the lake, or maybe higher up above it, but it was closed and it looked like maybe I kind of saw everything I could see. So I wish I could have gotten a little closer to the water. I might have missed that somewhere. I didn't see anything on the map that would get me any closer to it without a really long hike. I'm definitely coming back here again when I come up the coast on my way to Alaska at some point. I'm going to make a point to stop here again and try to even camp here or something. This was just a beautiful, beautiful place. Anyways, I am going to head up towards Bend, Oregon. My friend Rob told me to check that area out. So I'm going to swing by there, probably get some gas in there and maybe a cup of coffee, and then I'm going to keep making my way to Portland.